What are common challenges faced when conducting novel research? When it comes to conducting novel research, many challenges can arise, especially in the realm of weird science, strange experiments, and quirky results. So, what are these common hurdles? Let's break it down. First off, limited resources and funding can be a significant obstacle. Unique experiments often need specialized equipment or materials that can be costly or hard to find. Many funding bodies may shy away from supporting projects that seem risky or unconventional. This can make it tough to secure the financial backing needed. Researchers sometimes get creative by sharing resources or looking for alternative funding sources, like crowdfunding or partnerships with industry. Next, ethical considerations and safety are paramount. When experiments push boundaries, researchers must balance their desire to explore new ideas with the responsibility to avoid harm. This is especially true in studies involving living subjects or sensitive data. The line between innovation and recklessness can be quite thin in the world of weird science. Another challenge is dealing with unforeseen variables and confounding factors. Novel experiments often encounter unexpected variables that can disrupt results. These might include environmental factors, unknown interactions, or quirks of the equipment that were not anticipated. Such surprises can complicate data interpretation and requiring researchers to adjust their hypotheses or methods during the study. Designing rigorous experiments can also be tricky. When the phenomenon being studied is poorly understood or entirely new, creating a solid experimental design becomes challenging. Without established protocols, researchers must carefully plan controls, sample sizes, and data collection methods to ensure their findings are valid and reproducible. Data quality and interpretation can present their own set of challenges. Strange experiments may yield unusual or inconclusive data that is difficult to analyze or replicate. This can lead to delays in publication or acceptance within the scientific community. Researchers must be meticulous in documenting their procedures and results to help others understand and verify their work. Work-life balance and mental strain are also important factors to consider. The uncertainty and complexity of novel research can lead to frustration and burnout. Managing time effectively, maintaining mental health, and finding support networks are essential for sustaining long-term projects, especially when results are slow or setbacks occur frequently. Recruitment and institutional barriers can complicate matters as well. For studies involving human participants or institutional cooperation, gaining access can be a challenge. Institutions may be cautious about unconventional research, and recruiting willing participants for strange or risky experiments adds another layer of difficulty. Lastly, balancing novelty with caution is a delicate task. While pushing boundaries is essential for innovation, researchers must avoid being overly adventurous in ways that compromise safety or scientific rigor. This balance is especially important in quirky or unconventional experiments, where the temptation to break rules can be strong. In the context of weird science, these challenges are part of the thrill and unpredictability of exploring the unknown. Strange experiments often lead to quirky results precisely because they test limits and encounter unexpected obstacles. Handling these challenges requires creativity, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace the weirdness inherent in novel research.